Ahoy mateys, this is the Parrot Uncle Winnie 72-inch IPX4 rated ceiling fan. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing this awesome ceiling fan that I just had installed in my loft. Now as you can see, this is an amazing looking ceiling fan. So you can get this in black like I have displayed here, or you can also get this in a very nice white. So whatever your color option is, definitely going to be suitable for you. This is the 72-inch and it's a perfect size to fit my room. Now you can also get this in the 84-inch if you need a little bit longer for a look and maybe cover a little bit more square footage. Now this can cover over 350 square feet. This room is probably about 200, and I can confidently say after I tried this out for the first time, I was very impressed with the airflow. There is a very nice degree of slope on the blade itself, and you can actually see that it's contoured and it really pulls the air very nice and seamlessly while keeping it really quiet. As soon as I turned this on, I was actually with my electrician to try this out for the first time, and he even said, that is a lot of wind. I've never felt something like this in a ceiling fan. I'm gonna need to get one for myself. So I had to give him the link because he was very impressed with the way that this does bring air into the room. Now this specific ceiling fan does not have a light. It's a nice, sleek design, and this does have that IPX4 rating. So what does that mean? This is actually going to be able to withstand light splashes of water, and that's going to be really important because if you do want to install something like this on your patio or your deck, you can ensure that this is going to be good all year round and going to stay nice and safe. Now the ceiling fan can also be mounted on a slope, so if you do have your back deck or your patio have an A-frame, or maybe an A-frame in your house or a great room or something like that, you can actually mount this on a 26-degree slope, so it's going to be able to angle and still work properly. Now as you can see, I do have the shorter down rod option on here, and that's just because my ceilings are a little bit lower, so it's nice that they have those options. And the dowel rods come in 6 inches and also 10 inches. I really love this because it was actually pretty easy to assemble. So before my electrician came over, I actually assembled everything myself. The directions were super easy to follow, and there's even a PDF online, so if you want to check that out before you purchase the ceiling fan, just to make sure that everything is going to work properly, you can access that right on the website. And there's also all the specifications located on the website as well. So I'm actually going to have a link down in the description if you guys are interested in picking one of these up for yourself. I even have a special exclusive discount just for you guys. So if you're interested in any of those specs, you can definitely check that out right on the website. So let's go ahead and turn this on. So right now I have this on level 1, and it is so quiet, but yet it still brings a lot of air into the room and just gives you a nice comfortable feel. You can turn this up very quickly and easy with just a couple clicks of a button, and now I'm in level 4, and you can still hear that this is super quiet. You can't even hear it in the microphone, but I am feeling nice and cool, and this is definitely bringing a ton of air into the room, and I love that. And also I love the way that this just looks industrial. Now this right here is going to be full blast on level 6, and I'm feeling the air absolutely move in this room. This is amazing that it goes this high. So as you can see, I have a remote here, and this does have a timer on the remote, and you also have a lock and unlock setting on here as well. And the remote is going to have 1 through 6 speeds, so it's going to give you a lot of optimal adjustment to put this exactly where you want so that you can stay nice and comfortable. And the thing that I love about this fan the most is it is so quiet. This is going to be about 46 to 48 decibels of noise when this is on. So guys, that's going to be about the same as like a humming of a refrigerator in your kitchen, and you can barely notice that. So this is super quiet, and I love that because it's just in the background, ambient, you can't even tell, and it's nothing that's going to disturb you or be annoying. Now as you can see, this is the remote here, and we're going to have a bunch of different settings where you can go up and down. You have the timers, a bunch of different options on that, and then you're also going to have the on off button and a nice Parrot Uncle logo on the bottom. I also love how you can put this ceiling fan in reverse, so you can actually pull the air upwards to make it nice and warm during the cold winter season. This also comes with a really nice mount, so you can put this on your wall very easily. It comes with all the hardware in order to install that, and it just looks really nice, making it very simple to turn on and off. This ceiling fan also comes with a 1-year warranty, so you know that you have peace of mind. And this ceiling fan is crafted with a nice aluminum material, so it's going to be very high quality, and this is also finished with a nice powder coat, either in white or black, that's going to ensure its durability durability and lasting a long time. This ceiling fan is also going to have a memory option on here, so whenever you turn it off, it's actually going to go back to the same spot that you turned it off. So maybe you had it at level 6, it's going to go right back to that as soon as you turn it on, and I love that because it just saves an extra step. Now at the end of the day, my overall thoughts about this ceiling fan is I love it, and it looks absolutely beautiful. It has that nice industrial look, and I also love the fact that you can crank the speed up all the way to 6, and this can gust around the air in the room to make you nice and cool, or you can put it on level 1 and just give yourself a great amount of comfortability. Overall, if you're looking for a ceiling fan, this is definitely one that I recommend. It would be perfect for a living room, a bedroom, office, a covered porch, pavilion, or you can even put it in your loft like me. This definitely gets a 10 out of 10 for me. I haven't seen a ceiling fan work this good. And again, if you guys want to pick up something like this for yourself, I do have a link down in the description to make sure that you check out. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.